All right, welcome back, folks. This video is narrated by my son Nicky at San Joaquin Audits. He's actually back there. Say hello. I've been getting a lot of help from my sons doing some of these videos because I'm kind of overwhelmed with emails and videos that you guys are sending me. So I'm doing my best to try to send some of them to my sons to help me out. So make sure you guys go subscribe to this channel right here. You guys are absolutely gonna love the way this guy does his audit. Narrated by my son. Thanks, Nick, and thanks to Constitutional Guardian for the tremendous work that you're doing. We absolutely love your video. All right, guys, here we go.
Your line, Emma?
I legitimately need you
I need you on that side.
Okay, no need to touch
Nope,
me.
I'm not touching you. I'm off.
You live around here? Where you live at?
Don't answer no more questions.
Can you please stop?
I can say whatever I want. I can say whatever I want, and you know it.
Welcome back to the San Joaquin News Network. Today's video comes to you from Constitutional Guardian. Be sure to give him the credit that he deserves. On January 13, 2022, Constitutional Guardian was filming in public when he was approached by two deputies of the Hillsborough Sheriff's Department. Watch how Constitutional Guardian handles these creepy cops that immediately bark orders and ask obnoxious questions.
That's okay. I'm not passing your line,
I
Emma.
legitimately need you
I
on
need
that
you
side.
on that side.
Okay, could I get both of your names and badge
Pistol
numbers?
236259.
Burrito 247308.
Okay, no need to touch
Nope,
me.
I'm not touching you. I'm walking.
Yeah, well,
I
you're
need
getting
you
too
to know
fucking
that.
close.
No close.
You need another unit just for a camera? You guys are ridiculous. Am I causing a safety concern?
No.
Then why does he need another unit?
Is there any question you have when we're done? It'll be a couple hours.
I'm not gonna be here that long.
Okay, I was just letting you.
That's okay. I don't answer questions.
He doesn't want to be reported if you'll just take that.
I'll respect him, but I'll
He's
keep
not
on filming you
he's
guys.
not under arrest, but he doesn't want to be reported
Oh, so why is he in the car?
because he came for a ride. Thank you.
Oh, a ride along? I'll try to respect him. But I'll just get on this side.
I like the fact that Constitutional Guardian said that he'll respect the person who's on the ride along. Even though it's perfectly legal for him to film that person anyways, there is some level of respect that goes into it. I mean, it's not like he was there to film that guy in the first place. These sheriff deputies made themselves a part of his video. And is it just me, or does this deputy look like a great value Ray Liotta?
How are you today?
I don't answer questions.
Oh, okay. You have a job?
I don't answer questions.
What's your name?
I don't answer questions.
Oh, it's Alex, right?
I don't answer
How are you,
questions.
Alex?
And you're harassing me. I just told you I don't answer questions.
What is the Brady List? The Brady List is a list compiled usually by a prosecutor's office or a police department containing the names and details of law enforcement officers who have had incidents of untruthfulness, criminal convictions, candor issues, or other issues causing their credibility to be questionable. The question of officer integrity was initially brought up in the 1963 case of Brady v. Maryland, which was a landmark Supreme Court capital murder case that established that the prosecution must turn over all evidence that might exonerate the defendant. The prosecution failed to do so for John Brady, and he was convicted. Brady challenged this conviction, arguing that it had been contrary to the Due Process Clause of the 14th Amendment. The Supreme Court ultimately decided that withholding exculpatory evidence does violate due process. John Brady's sentence was eventually lessened from a life sentence, and he was paroled, and he never reoffended. The result of this decision led to dishonest police officers sometimes being referred to as Brady cops. Because of the Brady ruling, prosecutors are required to notify defendants and their attorneys whenever a law enforcement official involved in their case has a confirmed record of knowingly lying in an official capacity, hence the term Brady List.
How are you doing today?
Stop harassing me.
You live around here?
I don't answer questions. Ridiculous.
are you?
Is your body cam on, Corporal?
Always.
Did you just get promoted the other night? No? You've been promoted?
You say you don't want to talk to me, so I don't want to talk to you.
Oh, that's okay then.
Okay.
Then get away from me.
Public roadway, I can go whatever I want.
Okay.
Just like you can, right?
Yeah.
How are you, sir? An investigation is going on there. An investigation is going on there. You live around here? Where you live at?
Don't answer no more questions.
Can you please stop?
I can say whatever I want. I can say whatever I want, and you know it. Go ahead. Arrest me for saying whatever I want. I dare you. Exactly. Don't try to intimidate me for using my First Amendment. Fucking crazy.
I'm very glad that Constitutional Guardian highlighted the cop in this video because he's being creepy. Imagine if a random stranger came walking up to you with a gun asking where you lived. And just watch how he responds whenever Constitutional Guardian tells the person that he doesn't have to answer any of the deputy's questions.
Where you live at?
Don't answer no more questions.
Can you please stop?
I can say whatever I want. I can say whatever I want, and you know it. Go ahead. Arrest me for saying whatever I want. I dare you. Exactly. Don't try to intimidate me for using my First Amendment.
The way Constitutional Guardian spoke in this video was tremendous. Standing up for his rights the way he did, saying arrest me for saying whatever I want, to me it hits home and it was done smoothly. I subscribed to Constitutional Guardian after this video, and if you are not already, I suggest you go subscribe to his channel. If you have a police interaction you would like us to share, send it to our email recordpolicenow@gmail.com. As always, thank you for tuning into the video. Remember to always record the police.
How you been, man?
Good.
Remember us?
Oh yeah, of course I remember you guys.
So actually, remember how you told us we couldn't come in last time? So we actually went in, we talked to a lot of the deputies, we went around, and you were wrong, bro. We were right. We spoke to the, I don't like to call them sergeants because it's a military term. I'll call them the supervisor or manager, and deputy, Adriano. He knew that we were right, bro. And that's why we do this, man, to preserve the rights of the people. Sometimes
No, I was not wrong.
you were wrong. No, you're wrong.
No,
you were wrong.
that was a weekend. When it's a weekend, this place is closed.
If it's open, it's open, bro.
No,
If it's open, it's
not on the
open.
weekends.
Did we get arrested?
Not on the weekends.
You're not gonna argue. You're wrong.
Not in the weekends.
You're wrong.
You got wrong.
You're wrong.
You can tuck your tail again, bro, like last time.
You're wrong. Hey, you can start over. You can start over.
Hey, just